Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. In this video I will show you how to make a channel on Fiverr website. So as this channel is also about freelancing and many people want to do freelancing and they had problems while making channel on Fiverr and other freelancing websites. So this series will cover all of these topics. So in this series, I will show you how to make uh, accounts on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancing and people per hour and etc. And how to take orders from the customers and how to make gigs and everything like that regarding freelancing. So if you want to do freelancing, so kindly watch this series because it will help you a lot in your freelancing career, because I will also show you how to draw customers on your profiles and how to put tags and all of other things. So in this video I will show you how to make a channel or how to make account on Fiverr website. So I have already made the basic account on Fiverr. So for making the basic account, you just have to click on this join button, and then you have to enter your email, then password and username. So it's not a big deal. I will show you how to convert your account into a seller account. Okay. So I will just enter my email and then password. So if you have any questions regarding freelancing, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer all of the questions. So we had logged in our profile, bank profile. So after logging in, you will come to this page. Okay. So from this page, just click on this button, which is next to Fiverr Pro, and it say become a seller. So click this button. And then you will come to this page and scroll down a bit and then click on this button, and it say become a seller. So click this button again. So this page is saying general things. So just click on continue button. So after you click that previous page continue, this page will come. So if by mistake or any network issues this page don't come, so just go back and again click on continue button, so it will come. So on this page again click on continue, and then this page will come and again click on continue. So this is the first form show up. So you have to fill all of these informations to make your account a seller account. So you have to give your personal account information, then professional information, then linked account, then account security. Okay. So let me just fill my name. So I will just enter. Okay, I will skip the profile picture now. I will see. No, it is mandatory. So let me just. So I had uploaded my picture. So here is a description. So you should have to write a very good description. So if you don't know how to write a description, you can go to my profile on Fiverr. The link will be in the description. So and you can see that how I write the description, and you can also copy that description if you want to, but you have to make a minimum changes. Okay, so you have to give all of your information in the description, and your description should be a brief and a direct description. Don't write any informal things in the description, because customer don't want to read anything which he is not concerned of. So write only specific things which are concerned to the customer. Okay, so you have to write almost 150 letters, characters minimum. Okay, so let me just write the description. I will just copy and paste it. So let me see. So I had already copied the description. So I will just paste it over here. So it won't take your time. So down there you have to select the languages. Okay. So you should uh, you should select English language, because it is a must, because each every communication of Fiverr is mostly on English. So after selecting the English, click on this pencil button and select your level. So is your English is on basic level, fluent level, or it is native, whatever you want to. So I will try it on fluent, and I will update it. So if you want to enter a new language, so just click on add new. So I will write over here Urdu, because I know Urdu is my native language. And other than that, I also know Hindi, and I also know Punjabi. Okay, so I had entered all the languages I know. So after that, click on continue. So on this page, you first have to fulfill your occupation. So click on this drop down menu and select what are the services you are going to give. Okay, so there is digital marketing, graphic and design, writing and translation, okay, programming and tech and everything. Okay, you can also give more than one by clicking on add new. Okay, so on this account I will select on writing and translation. Okay, so you have to select the basic skills. Okay, so I will select article and blog post, because I write this stuff. Okay, okay, and I also write website content. Okay, and other than that, I write translations, proof reading and editing, and covers, resume and cover letters. Okay, so I have so on the next I will select music and audio. Okay, so I can give voiceovers and select on others. Okay, so these are my skills for this account. So I am putting these skills just to show you how you can put all of these things. Okay, so I am leaving the year now. I will see if it is mandatory, so then I will fill it. So there is no need of that. So you have to write all of the skills you know, okay, over here, and you just have to click on add. So if I will write over here blog writer. Okay, so I will write over intermediate add. Okay, so if you want to add any new, so you can click on add new. So over here I will write voice over. So I can click on that. So and I will also select website content, website content, and resume. Okay, so I will write the remaining after the profile, but you can see that how we can add skills. Okay, these skills will be shown on your profile whenever a visitor come on your profile. So after that, you have to select your education, your university, and everything. So I will select first my country. So I am from Pakistan. So let me just. So here is Pakistan, and then you have to select your college or university name. So I had took admission in EAMS. Okay, so here is my university. Here is my university. So I have to select the title of my degree. So I am doing the bachelor's. So there is no option. So I will select other and just write your degree. So I am doing in bachelor's in computer science. Okay, and the year is 2018. So and add. Okay, so after that I will go down, and if you have any personal website, you can provide your link over here. So I have a website, so I will leave its link over here. So click on continue. So the year over here is mandatory. So just select any year and then click on continue. So over here you have to connect your accounts. So if you want to connect any of your accounts, then click on connect and enter the password and email. The account will be linked automatically, and then click on continue. So over here you have uh, to provide your email and phone number. So if you want to share if you want to provide your phone number, so provide it, and after that I will click on create the first week. So it is giving me a pop-up that you are almost done. So it is saying me to give those things to proceed further. So I have to give my phone number. So I will write my phone number over here. So after entering your phone number, it will also ask you to enter a security question. So just enter the security question. Okay, so it's not difficult. So I had done it without showing you. So when your profile completion rate goes to 65%, so it's mean now you can finish your profile setup. Okay, so you have to complete your completion rate to 100% because it will increase the trust rate of customer. So for that you have to link your accounts and other things. Okay, you can do it further later. So for the minimum requirement, so this is enough. So I will just click on finish. So now your account has been set up. Okay, so just click on finish again. So I will also show you how you can take free courses on Fiverr. Okay, so I will give you the links to the free courses on Fiverr that will improve your skills and also it will teach you a lot of things. Okay, so let it be loaded. So I will show you further. So in this video, I will only show you how to create account on Fiverr. So how to create gigs on Fiverr, I will show you on the other video because this video is too long. So your account now has been set up. Okay. So this page is asking you to make your first gig. Okay. So for gig, I will show you in the next video that how you can make an effective gig on Fiverr. So this is all for this video. So if you want to see any blogs regarding my videos, check my website. The link will be in the description. And if you had any questions regarding the freelancing, you can comment down, and you can also send me a message on my Instagram. The link is in the description. Okay. So this is all for this video. Thank you.